Alright, I'm at the Burlington Coat Factory in Bailey's Crossroads. I have not been here in many years. Maybe 15, 20 years. So everything still looks about the same as I remember. Yeah. The Burlington here in Bailey's Crossroads. See? Everything looks the same. Okay, I'm just looking here. I thought I'd come here because I haven't been here in a while. Kind of reminiscing old times when I used to come here all the time. But now I haven't in like 15, 20 years. Look at the jacket. Kind of cool. See what kind of jackets they have here. Alright, I'm at a different Burlington now. This is the Burlington in Bailey's Crossroads. It's about 2 miles from the last Burlington. I don't think I've ever been here. Maybe I have, but maybe just one time a long time ago. Anyway, I'm continuing my search for whatever hits my fancy. Got a lot of good stuff here. Buy this national shirt. It's my size, medium. A lot of national stuff. Alright, I'm at my third Burlington Coat Factory today. This is my third Burlington store. I went to the one in Bailey's Crossroads, then I went to the one close to that, and this is all the way in Reston, which is about 20 miles from where I was before. Yeah, so I'm doing my Burlington Coat Factory tour. I don't know why, I just am. Now this one definitely I've never been to. Never been to this Burlington before. So I'm gonna walk around, and this is big though. This one doesn't have a second floor, but it has a big area. Huge area. Huge. It's huge. How you like it? Does it look cool? I kind of think it is. It's only $9.99. Think I should buy it? Nationals hat? I think I should. Alright, I'm just trying to look for a place to eat here. It's 3 o'clock and I haven't had lunch yet. Whew, I'm hungry and tired. I've never been here before. This is in Reston. Some kind of shopping center here in Reston. I've never been here before. Been to Reston, but not here. Let me try this place here. King Walk. King Walk. The king of the walks. Okay, I ended up here at the Chinese restaurant. Some kind of Hunan Walk or something. Yeah, I ordered some fried rice. Alright, I'm about to leave, but first I must get some money. Here at the Wells Fargo down here, I saw Wells Fargo. I thought I'd get some money because I'm a little short on cash right now. Out here in Reston, Virginia. Yeah. Okay, get some Monet at the bank.
The next day.
Okay, welcome to Burlington Coat Factory number 5. This is the 5th Burlington Coat Factory I've visited this weekend. I've been to the one in Alexandria, Bailey's Crossroads, Sterling, and Fairfax, and now this one is Manassas. That's 5. 5 Burlington Coat Factories in a weekend. That's got to be a record. I don't know why I did it. I just wanted to. Okay. As you can see, they all pretty much look the same. Anywhere you go, Burlington Coat Factory. They still got a lot of good deals, so let's see what kind of deals they have here in Manassas, Virginia. Okay, once again, I'm at a Burlington, but I don't think I'm going to buy anything. Well, I bought something at that other Burlington in Reston, I believe. I bought a bunch of stuff in there. Here, I don't think I'll buy anything. So maybe I'll just go home and relax because I'm tired. It's a nice day out though. Maybe I can go somewhere. It being a nice day and all. Alright, that's it for my Burlington Coat Factory adventure. It's the end of the weekend, which means it's back to work tomorrow. And where did I park my car? Where did I park my car? Kind of forgot. Oh, there it is. Yep. So this is my 5th Burlington Coat Factory this weekend. And I haven't even been to the one in Potomac Mills Mall yet.
1 hour later.
Check out this house. This is actually the clubhouse of this community, and it burned down Friday night. See? It burned down. And they say it was an accident. Yeah, an accident. Check out this house, man. This house burned down on Friday night. It's a clubhouse. I remember when this clubhouse was still around, but now it's burnt to a crisp. They say it was an accident. Look, the whole roof caved in, and I don't know how it started, but maybe somebody playing with matches, some kid, maybe. Some kid playing with matches, probably. That's how it happened. That's how it always happens. This brick side is okay. I don't know if that can be salvaged or not, but the roof is all gone. It's all collapsed, caved in. See that? What about this side? Let's check out this side here. Oh yeah, this side is pretty bad. They're gonna have to demolish this house. Gonna have to demolish this house and build another one. See, they got the little conference desk there. They got all kinds of stuff burnt, damaged beyond repair, all because of an accident. That's what happens. What happens, man, when you play with fire. Don't play with fire. This kind of stuff will happen. So, let that be a lesson. All of you who like to play with fire. Fire is not to be trifled with. This can happen. Something like this. Now they're gonna have to demolish the whole building and build a new building at the cost of several $1 million, which we'll have to take out on somebody. They'll have to raise the HOA fees and all that. Everybody loses in this situation. This side is pretty bad. The other side is okay. It's not that bad, but this side is really bad. So it must have started here on this side. See? Yeah, well, even the pool is closed next door. They shut down the pool. So they won't have a pool to use over the summer, hopefully until they build a new one. Yep, pretty bad, I would have to say. Pretty bad. Okay, well, it's sad really. Now they won't have a clubhouse to do their thing anymore, and they used to hold conferences in there and all that, parties. Now they're going to have to build a new one, a new clubhouse, a new building. Maybe a bigger, fancier one that's a little bit more fireproof. here in this community. Right? Right.